Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create an image of your daily refresh verse on the Bible application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then go to your home page by tapping on the home button down below. Then scroll down to the daily refresh and click on the three dots icon in the right side below the verse, and then click on the create image button, which is the fifth option. Here you can choose an image, so just simply tap on a relevant one. If you scroll down, you can also choose from these background images, and you can also add your own one by tapping on this blank option, and here you can select a picture from your gallery. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose, then click on choose image, and here you can find the verse inserted to the picture. Here you can select the font, a new font. You can set the text size, the letter spacing, line height. Then you can also select the canvas and the opacity, and also the color of your text. Here you can do adjustments, such as making the background blurred. You can set the brightness of it. And if you are done with these adjustments, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.